Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the Fiesta on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Disconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10 mm wrench and wait 10 minutes before touching any airbag or dash electronics. Gather Torx T20 and T30 drivers, a 7 mm socket, a 10 mm wrench, and a plastic trim tool. Wear eye protection and an anti-static wrist strap when possible. Keep small containers for screws and label each group according to location, so reassembly will be straightforward and fast. Start removing trim from the passenger side, using a plastic trim tool to gently pry panels outward. Avoid bending clips and limit pry depth to about 3–5 inches. Remove visible screws and bolts with Torx T20 or T30 and a 7 mm socket, keeping each fastener in labeled containers. Work progressively toward the instrument cluster and center stack. Unclip center vents by pressing their release tabs inward while supporting the dash with your other hand. If a panel resists, double-check for hidden screws under caps or inside glovebox hinges before forcing it free. With trim removed, unbolt the instrument cluster screws and pull the cluster forward evenly to expose connectors. Depress connector tabs to release wiring harnesses. Do not touch the airbag modules or wiring. If you disconnect any SRS connectors, ensure the battery has been off for at least 10 minutes before reconnecting. Before snapping final trim into place, reconnect the negative battery terminal and test all dash functions: indicators, high beams, speedometer, tachometer, HVAC blower speeds, and radio. Replace panels in reverse order, ensuring clips align and screws are tightened snugly without over-torquing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.